Which of the following drugs is used as an antidote for poisoning by organophosphates? A. Atropine. B. Pralidoxime. C. Naloxone. D. Both A and B. The mechanism of action of aspirin is primarily as A. NSAID that inhibits cyclooxygenase, COX, enzymes. B. Antibiotic that inhibits bacterial cell wall synthesis. C. Antihypertensive that blocks calcium channels. D. Diuretic that acts on the loop of Henle. Which drug is commonly used to treat tuberculosis? A. Penicillin. B. Isoniazid. C. Ciprofloxacin. D. Amoxicillin. A patient has a sudden severe hypertensive crisis. Which drug is most appropriate for immediate management? A. Leptalol. B. Enalapril. C. Amlodipine. D. Losartan. Which of the following drugs is a beta blocker? A. Propranolol. B. Amlodipine. C. Furosemide. D. Digoxin. The primary use of digoxin is in A. Heart failure and atrial fibrillation. B. Hypertension. C. Diabetes mellitus. D. Asthma. Which drug is used as a first-line treatment for type 2 diabetes? A. Insulin. B. Metformin. C. Glucagon. D. Acarbose. The side effect of aminoglycosides like gentamicin is A. Nephrotoxicity and ototoxicity. B. Hepatotoxicity. C. Cardiotoxicity. D. Hemolytic anemia. Which drug is used in the management of acute asthma attacks? A. Salbutamol. B. Theophylline. C. Salmeterol. D. Fluticasone. Which of the following drugs is used to treat opioid overdose? A. Naloxone. B. Flumazenil. C. Atropine. D. Acetylcysteine. The antidote for heparin toxicity is A. Vitamin K. B. Protamine sulfate. C. Calcium gluconate. D. Desferrioxamine. Which drug is contraindicated in asthma patients? A. Salbutamol. B. Propranolol. C. Ipratropium. D. Montelukast. The drug of choice for acute anaphylaxis is A. Dopamine. B. Adrenaline, epinephrine. C. Noradrenaline. D. Atropine. Aspirin is contraindicated in children with viral infections due to the risk of A. Stevens-Johnson syndrome. B. Reyes syndrome. C. Toxic epidermal necrolysis. D. Kawasaki disease. Which drug is used as a first-line treatment for hypertension in pregnancy? A. Enalapril. B. Methyldopa. C. Losartan. D. Hydrochlorothiazide. Digoxin toxicity is characterized by A. tachycardia. B. Visual disturbances, yellow halos. C. Hypertension. D. Hypokalemia. A patient is on furosemide, Lasix. The nurse should monitor for A. Hyperkalemia. B. Hypokalemia. C. Hypernatremia. D. Hypoglycemia. A patient is taking warfarin. The nurse advises the patient to avoid excessive intake of which food? A. Bananas. B. Green leafy vegetables. C. Dairy products. D. Red meat. The nurse administers insulin to a diabetic patient. Which insulin type has the fastest onset of action? A. Insulin glargine, Lantus. B. Regular insulin, Humulin C. Lispro, Humalog. D. NPH insulin. The nurse should administer magnesium sulfate cautiously because it can cause A. Hypercalcemia. B. Respiratory depression. C. Hypoglycemia. D. Hypertension.